Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export a table from Access. Now, you might want to do this because you want to work with it in another program. For example, maybe you want to pull it into Excel or import it to write some code in R or Python or something, or bring it into ArcGIS Pro. For example, if we look at VA plot here, you'll notice that at the end, it has latitude and longitude for these plots. So we might want to make a map of it. So what I'm going to do is export this table and with an eye toward being able to import it into ArcGIS. So we go to Virginia plot, go to export, and we want to export this as just a plain text file. That'll be the easiest to read in to ArcGIS Pro. And so we're going to just leave this the way that it is. Do not click this one about formatting and layout. That adds a bunch of stuff to the file that's going to make it difficult to read in. Click OK. We'll just replace that. Then here, importantly, so for ArcGIS, delimited is going to work nicely. So basically, it means that all the values have commas in between them. If you do fixed width, it's going to have tabs or spaces in between them. So we want delimited, see that there's commas in between, and then click Next. You can tell it what you want to delimit the file with. Commas is good. We can also click include field names on the first row. That's really going to help you to be able to see what's going on. If you don't do that, I'm going to pull this up here, then this is what the text file will look like. There's no headings, and you could go in manually and add them later, but it's easier if you do it this way. So click Next. And one thing you might do also is just change the extension to CSV for comma separated values rather than TXT, just so it's more obvious to ArcPro the format of the file. And then click Finish. This is just asking if I want to overwrite because I've done this already to practice. So I'm going to say yes. And we don't need to save this export steps. So I'm going to click Close. And that's all we got.